Hello everyone. So I welcome you all to this series of video lectures on advanced persistent threat attribution and detection. And this is Venkat Sai Charan, and I'm working as a Prime Minister Research Fellow in Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, in the Computer Science Department. So my research focus is on advanced persistent threat detection, and I'm currently working in this area for last 3 years under the guidance of Professor Sandeep Shukla. And the main intention or idea behind this playlist creation is that as a PMRF research fellow, it is our responsibility to reach out to the undergrad students in the neighboring institutes or universities and help them out in their coursework and to share our research experiences. But because of this pandemic, we are unable to meet those students in person, and in order to address this problem and to reach out to the wide range of audience across the India, so we came up this idea to create a playlist on a dedicated research topic so that it will give some good insights to the student. I think the main group of audience or targeted audience for this playlist is primarily the computer science students or undergrad students, but it is not only limited to the computer science students. So any students or any person who is interested towards the cyber security or malware research is open to or welcome to go through this series of playlists. So before actually jumping into the agenda of this thing, I would like to thank Professor Sandeep Kumar Shukla for his constant support for making this playlist, and I would like to thank Dr. Timo Stephens as well. We have prepared a couple of lectures based on his book called Advanced Persistent Threat Attribution. So I would like to give a special mention to both these guys. And so this is the high level overview of this video series. So initially we will start from very scratch level. We will try to understand what is APT malware and what is its life cycle phases and what are all the different state sponsored APT groups across the world, and we will look into some global trends and the case studies as well about these APT groups and their modus operandi. And our major focus in this video series is primarily APT attribution process and what are all the different techniques involved in this APT attribution and what are all different frameworks used to attribute this APT, and we will look into some case studies as well. And similarly we will look into the APT detection part and some data mining and machine learning techniques and the frameworks used by the security community to detect this APT groups in real time. And towards the end section, we will look into some challenges in APT detection and attribution, and we will try to pinpoint research gaps in this particular area. And we will try to give some glimpse about what is our research contribution in this area for last 2 years. And towards the end we will shed light on some open areas for research in this particular area and few conclusion thoughts. So this is the high level overview of this playlist. I think you will enjoy this playlist, and feel free to drop me a mail or to reach me out through this comment section if you have any queries. I think we will have a great time. So let's get started.